Hey, this is Tom, Father's Workshop Screen Printing, and we are fixing to do just a real small job. We're going to do a sublimation on a cup. It's a gift for someone. And anyways, you're catching us just as we're in the middle of it, basically. I mean, I've already got the image printed out. And so come back and watch what we do here just for a few minutes and see if you like it. You know, you might just decide that you want to start doing sublimation on cups. And if you do nothing else, just give them away as gifts. But come back right after the intro. Well, here we are, and we are fixing to sublimate this cup. And I like these little cups like this. These are these little coffee cups, and they've got these little spoons that go with it. And fits right in the handle. Pretty neat little things. Let's see if I can get this on there. There we go. Once this has an image on it and everything, it'll really look nice. And they're, like I said, they are great gifts. So we're fixing to go ahead and put the image we have already got printed up onto it. And once again, remember now, this is sublimation ink. This is a special ink that once it's heated up and it gets hot, it'll break into a gas. And when it does, it will actually adhere to this cup. Now, this cup is not just any cup. I guess the cup is any cup. But the thing about it is it's been treated. On the bottom, you'll notice it says it's been treated by this company right here. And it is... I ain't got my glasses on. I can't got my glasses on. I can't see. All right, now I can see. It's raining outside, and I got water drops all over my eyeglasses here. This is by Orca Coatings. That's made in Japan. I mean, made in China. Japan. Made in China. Everything's made in China. I wasn't. I don't think. But these little spoons, they're nice because you can put it in there and you can stir it. Or you don't even have to use these. People will put these on their shelf or put them up on the area there just because they're nice. So just hang on a minute. Let's get this ready, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna put this on the cup. Well, you can watch. As long as my film don't run out. I don't have good cameras, so they don't last long. Just hang on a second. I'm gonna put this on the cup. Now remember, before we did, what you had to do was you don't want to put a big crease in it. You just want to put just a little teeny spot there so you can put it on your cup. But you just want to put a little teeny, just a little teeny crease. I mean, a baby one. You know, there. You can barely see it. And the reason why you do that is because you want to line this handle up straight across, and you want this crease to be right there. You say, well, how do you line that up? Oh, you can take basically anything. I think last time I used a pencil, and you take that pencil and you can line that up right across there. Okay, well, that's not straight. Well, that is kind of straight. That's kind of straight. But you want to make sure you got it on the cup just right. All right, now I got this side. This side right here is good. So let me get my special tape here. This particular tape here is made for extreme heat. So let me get this out of the way. I'll take a small piece of this tape, this weird tape, and I'll put it on here. And we'll take this. Let me move this out of the way. That thing's in the way and you can't even see nothing. Now we've got this side taped. Now what we'll do, we'll pull this around and we'll make sure that it's lined up. We'll make sure it's lined up just like the other side. The same height from the top. Now I'm noticing that it doesn't look like the ends of the are matching the same distance from the handle. So that tells me I've got a problem. All right, so maybe it's not centered as much as I thought it was. I don't know how it does that. It moves. So what we'll do is we'll figure out which way we need to move it. And by just looking at the back of this thing, it doesn't need to move much. So what I'll do is I'll pull this tape off. And we'll try it again. Okay, I kind of got an idea where it needs to be at. Am I perfect on it? Absolutely not. You want this thing to look right. You don't want it to look all funny. So, there's the center. Tape on there. We never took it off. We just kind of rolled it up on the side. All right. Then I'll take another piece of this tape, put it on there. Don't you hate when the tape turned around backwards and you go to stick it on there and it sticks to your finger instead? All right. Take a piece. There's so many different ways to do this, and I don't think I've ever done it the same way twice. Because sometimes I'll put this paper on here and I'll have the piece of tape in the center. Then I'll stick it on there when I get it matched up, and then I'll fool with it. But I don't know. I don't do it every day. All right. Now I'll take this off. Straighten this up a little bit. All right. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Now, what I'm hoping, you know what I need to do? I need to fix this. Because what I am noticing, if I ain't careful, I'm not careful. This cup has a bevel in it. Now this heat press that I have here, it's for straight cups. This one has a bevel on towards the bottom. If I'm not careful, if my image is not exactly set straight on here, when it breaks into a gas, it will blow the gas ink down there. It'll look real funny. It'll look like a smoky type of ink. It'll give it a funny look. It'll mess it up. Then you have to start over again. And that's a cup that you're just going to have to drink out of with somebody else's name on it. All right. So what we'll do, and move this up, this over. All right. That's better, but it's still not good enough. I hate when that happens. All right. I got that side. I'm going to undo this tape in the middle. Get that done. That done. That should be just right. I hope it is, because if I don't, I mess it up. You don't like to give away messy gifts. Anyways, now what we do is we put it in the heat press. You'll notice you can't see nothing because I got this crazy taking thing in the way. Now you can see. And we'll take it and we'll slide it here in the press. We got it in there. All right. Now we got to wait. And what we'll do, we've got 190 seconds. So you put it in there for about 3 minutes to 3.5 minutes. Depends. I put 190 seconds, and it normally does pretty good on getting my cups about the way I need it. So here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like, and that's the. And so it's dropped down to 345 degrees. Normally I started off at 400 degrees. I've said that before. And if you'll notice that cup being cold like it is, has caused the temperature to drop down to 345 degrees. It's slowly going to build back up as the cup gets hot. That's hot enough to basically do the job at a longer period of time. So when it hits 190 seconds, I may go a little bit longer. I don't know. I'll just kind of judge it as I go and figure what I'm going to do. But we'll take a look at it when it comes out. So just give me a minute. And we're not going to sit here and watch the clock. So, be right back. Hey, this is Tom. I'm back. If you'll notice, I'm wearing a sling. I got in a car accident. It wasn't my fault. And I got a torn rotator cuff. And I had surgery. I hate getting hurt in an accident and then having surgery. But anyways, I'm having to wear this sling, and I'm not the happiest camper in the world, and it hurts like crazy. I don't know. I just had the staples taken out today, and well, it's ready. Anyways, I had the staples taken out in my arm today. 9 staples. I got 4 screws and all that stuff in my arm. So, all right, let's take a look at this. Here we go. I gotta take this off while it's hot. Are y'all ready? You want to see this? All right. Remember, this is what the paper looks like. I can't do anything with this crazy sling on. But remember, this is what the paper looked like. Now it's all faded out and stuff like that. And remember, you got to put this on the paper backwards. If you don't, it'll come out funny. Anyways, here's the cup. Isn't that neat? Little faded right here. These are things you got to watch for. But I did this for her. She's a cancer survivor. It's my mother-in-law. And did this nice little cup for her. And hope she likes it. My wife is going up there to take care of her father, who's needing a little assistance with, and give her mom a hand and stuff like that. So, anyways, I'm gonna send a couple gifts up there to be a blessing. You know, it's wonderful to be a blessing. No, not charging nothing for it. They're gifts. You don't charge people for gifts. Anyways, this is the way it looks. Little, like I said, it's a little faded here. I'm not going to worry about that. Isn't that neat? You just put the little spoon in there. You got yourself a little cup. Ouch, it's hot. anyways, I think it looks pretty nice. Pretty neat. Nice to be a cancer survivor. You enjoyed that. It wasn't much of a video, but it just shows what you can do when you got the stuff and you want to give gifts. You know, it makes it great that you're able to make something up, something you design yourself. Give it to them. It's got their name on it. It'll be treasured. Now, I'm fixing to make my father-in-law one. I've got some Marine Corps cups up there, but I'm going to put his name and stuff on it. So I'm going to make a fresh one up. I got to design it on the computer. So, anyways, maybe I'll show you that one next. I'm fixing to get on the computer and get this thing squared away. So, thank you for tuning in. And I don't know if I'm going to really just cut the film right now. I might get on there and design that. But you already know how I do it. So, it's not really like I need to show you what the next one's going to look like. So, you can do it. You can start your own business and start selling cups like that on eBay. Make you a few bucks. I mean, you can make $10 a cup profit. You sell them. And they're special to people. It has their name. You design it the way that they want it. You surprise them, make them happy, and make them feel like they got something special. You know why? Because it's a one of a kind. It's a one of a kind. Anyways, this is Tom, the Father's Workshop Screen Printing, and I'm sure glad you tuned in. So, y'all have a wonderful day. God bless. Dream my arm.